Hey guys, welcome back to the Nava channel and welcome back to another episode of this mini-series. If this is your first episode of my little DIY mini-series, I just want to catch it. My ring literally just flew off. Anyway, so if this is your first mini-series, I teamed up with Boohoo to bring you guys a quick little DIY mini-series where we upcycle and transform a bunch of different clothes. So thank you to Boohoo as always for sponsoring these videos. Today's episode is actually the 6th episode and the last one, so I hope you guys have been enjoying these. Today I'm going to show you guys how to upcycle a man's button-up t-shirt. If you guys are looking for a great place to shop for affordable clothes, then Boohoo is the perfect place for you. They have a bunch of different styles that drop every week and a majority of them are under $100. As always, the items featured in today's video will be linked down at the bottom, and you guys can use my promo code NAVAROSE to get a discount off your order. So without further ado, here is today's mini-series video. Hey guys, it's Nava Rose and welcome to a brand new episode of We Got Renew Upcycling. In today's episode, we are going to upcycle this men's button-up shirt. Don't need a sewing machine, all you need is glue, hands, scissors, some good old faith that you're not going to mess up your dad's shirt. So we're going to fold it in half. I'm going to cut right here, right under the second button. Follow the ruler and cut a straight line across your top. So after you have your shirt all buttoned and open, we are going to hem the edge with some hot glue. All you have to do is just add a nice strip of glue to the edge and fold it over. I'm only going to fold it over about ½ inch, and you're going to do that all the way around the shirt. Once you've hemmed the whole bottom edge of your shirt, you can button it back up, and that's pretty much it for the top. So just for reference, I have this skirt that fits me pretty well, and we're gonna cut the shape and follow exactly like this. What you want to do is flip this so that both outsides of the skirt are facing in. Just add some glue to the very edge, just fold it and match the edges together. So to fold down the seam allowance just so it stays put, all you have to do is add some glue to the very edge of the seam allowance very carefully, and then you're going to pull the two pieces apart and then press. That way the seam allowance will stay flush to one of the pieces. And just copy that over to the other side. Now we have this raw edge at the very top of the skirt. We're gonna do the same thing that we did to the bottom of the shirt. Fold it over, that way we can have a nice little hem. So I'm gonna add 2 slits right about here. I'm gonna cut up about 2.5 inches. Fold it over and make that same 2.5 inch mark. Just to make things easier, I'm going to flip it inside out. Then I'm gonna add some glue onto the edge of that cut. And there you have it, a double slit skirt. You have yourself a double slit mini skirt, and you have the matching top that goes with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little video that Boohoo put together. Again, my promo code is NAVAROSE, so you can get a discount off your order. And I'm really sad that this mini-series is over. I hope you guys enjoyed it over the past few weeks. And until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Bye!